Welcome back to another video, and today, as you can see, we're doing a POV drive in my Porsche 981 Cayman S. Now, the big reason for this video and why we are doing it is because inside we have got a new Porsche steering wheel, the updated one. Now, we have the standard exhaust, but we have race headers on it, Fab Speed race headers, so it does sound higher pitch. It's a little bit louder. We unfortunately don't have the Porsche Sports exhaust. Let's, without further ado, turn it on, get inside and go for a drive. And we're in, and take a look at this new Alcantara steering wheel that we got from the guys at Wheel Finesse. They have gone to town on this wheel with the Alcantara airbag cover, which usually comes in leather, so this is a really nice touch. We've got Tiffany blue stitching all the way on the inside, the Tiffany blue centerline, and the best bit, carbon magnetic paddles. I've got a discount code at Wheel Finesse. If you guys want any custom wheels, any wheel wraps, they do it all. They do even do Alcantara dashboards and stuff like that, which one day hopefully we'll do. But I've got a discount code JBYT that is going to be in the description. Go use that on their website. Wheel Finesse are legends for this. So yeah, let's get the keys and start it up. Now, will we get a cold start? Yes, we do. Literally, this is so loud. This car sounds absolutely mega. Now, we have got a few lights on the dash, as you can see. Now, they're nothing to be worried about. This one, refill washer fluid, and the engine management light. Now, the engine management light, well, that came on when we were on our road trip, and all it is the O2 sensor. As I have aftermarket headers, it's just tripping out a bit and thinking, well, this is, you know, not stock. We will get that coded out one day, but for now, we got to live with it. Okay, and we are on the road. We're literally just waiting for the car to warm up. We're only 5 degrees away, and then we'll be warm. And then, yeah, we will be able to open her up a little bit as we get into a 60 zone. This is a slightly thinner steering wheel to hold than the other one. The other steering wheel was a bit thicker. It was leather, so I'm not a fan of leather. We're at 90 degrees. I'm gonna put the G meter on, go into sport mode. Let's put the spoiler up as well, just because, not that you can see that. It just looks cooler. Oh my God. Woohoo! Sounds amazing. Jesus. I do just need the valves now just to be open. That is one criticism I have got to say about this car, is because the gears are so long, you only really get to go through 2. You only have 1 gear change when you're going through, you know, country lanes like that, because they're just so long. Put the windows down a bit. Oh my God. Oh my God, the crack on the downshift then. Oh, I love this car when it's nice and dry. Whoa, my God. Oh my days, it gasses me up so much. These paddles, honestly, every gear change, so satisfying. They have these kind of like clicky magnetic paddles in the GT3 Cup cars. Jesus Christ. Jeez. Flipping hell. This car is a joke. It handles so well. I swear as well, like, the hotter the car gets, the louder it gets as well. Jesus. Jeez, the snap on the upshift. Oh my God, that gear change is a joke. All right, let's put it in Sport Plus so we have the stiffer suspension. Oh my, them gear changes. Jesus. Oh, that sun is blinding. Oh my! Go Sport Plus, now we're getting to twisties again. There's a Mercedes up here absolutely gunning it. Cannot be having that. He's absolutely sending it, this guy. All right, we've just hit traffic, so we're gonna end the video here, but a big shout out to Wheel Finesse for supplying this wheel because it's next level. Use code JBYT to get a discount on their website and get yourself a custom wheel because it just transforms the interior of any car. I've done it to like 3 of my cars now, and every single time it's so worth it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.